Hello, my name is Mike Rayner and I'm with eWrench.com. This video is about how to set up a wireless connection in Windows 2 Server 2008 R2 for virtual machines. Normally, Windows Server 2008 does not allow the virtual machines to run off the wireless connection. The outcomes for this video is to create a virtual network for your wireless connection, and then set up Internet Connection Sharing ICS and bind it to a virtual network. And then finally verify the operation running of two simultaneous Ubuntu virtual desktops to make sure that everything's working. Requirements: a laptop or desktop running Windows Server 2008 R2, Hyper-V installed, a wireless network interface card NIC, and an internet connection. Additional info, you've got the Virtual PC Guy blog, and there's a guy by the name of John Paul Cook. He's got a good blog on article on using wireless with Hyper-V. The first step in getting virtual machines to connect to the internet is to create a virtual network for the virtual machines to connect to. So in this case, we go to the Virtual Network Manager, and we're going to select Internal, Add, and we're going to make sure that we're going to give it a name, ICS Wireless. And this is internal virtual network that connects to the wireless adapter. Okay, so now make sure this internal is checked, and then we click OK or Apply. Goes through, trundles for a while, applies changes. The next thing we're going to do is hook two machines to this virtual network that we just created. So we go to Settings, and this machine right here does not have a network connection, so we're going to go to Add Hardware, and we're going to click Network Adapter and Add, and we're going to pick ICS Wireless. And that's all there is to it. Click OK. Now, if you have another network connection, you might want to disconnect it. Then I always like to verify that I only have one network connector, or exactly what it's supposed to be right here, because I've seen this sometimes with these network connections. It can get confusing. So I click OK. I verified that. And then Ubuntu 02. I'm going to go to Settings on that. Click the network adapter for this one, Add, and then ICS Wireless is a name. Click OK. And then I'm going to go verify that again. Okay, so ICS Wireless, OK. Okay, our next step is to set up internet connection sharing. So we'll go to the Start, Network, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Now, when we're going to be working with the wireless network connection, we want to look right here. It says Local Area Connection 3, but it is ICS Wireless. This is the one that we're going to be connecting and making the internet connection sharing with. Local Area Connection 3, identified as virtual network ICS Wireless. So we go right here to Wireless Network Connection, right click, Properties, click on Sharing, allow other network users to connect through this computer's network, and then Local Area Connection 3, which is one that says ICS Wireless, and then we go to our settings, and FTP server internet. You can set however you want on these, and just simply click check and click OK, and then click OK. To make sure that everything binds, I prefer to restart Windows Server 2008. And I'll close this, and we'll do a restart. And when we come back, we're going to check and make sure that everything works. Here we've restarted the server, Windows 2008 R2 server, and we're going to check our ICS connections. We're going to start, here we are in Hyper-V Manager, and we're going to start a couple of virtual machines. Action, start, and let's start another one here. Action, start. So now we've got 2 virtual machines started. I still don't have the screen settings right for Hyper-V and Ubuntu, but that's something that I'll work on at some other time. Okay, here's one. We'll get this one started. Well, that one's actually, right here it is. We've already got a terminal down here. Just click on this, open up a terminal, do an ifconfig, and you'll notice it's got an internet address of 168.137.127.192. It's an internal address. And let's go take a look at the other one. Let's log into the other one. And this one we're going to have to actually, because it's a different one, different virtual machine, we're going to have to go to search and actually do a terminal. It doesn't have a terminal locked to the launcher. So we're going to do an ifconfig here, and this is 192.168.137.92. You notice that this one's 127 and this one's 0.92. So that they are getting 2 different IP addresses here. So verify that, and then we'll go. Let's open up a browser, check our internet connection, and there's that. That's my YouTube channel, and we'll open up a browser on this one also. Forgot exactly where this one goes to. It says, well, this is embarrassing. Bring this over here a little bit, and we'll go to google.com just to show that this is, and we'll search for ICS sharing just to show you that this is both, so that they're both working. So anyway, that's how to get your virtual machines to connect through Hypervisor in Windows 2008 R2